right here. I've been looking for one of these deals right here for a long time. Now, if you ever dealt with leaves, of course, there are all kinds of leaves. There's big leaves like maples and, big white oak trees, something like that. Big leaves, magnolia, big heavy, crappy leather leaves, feels like. And then you got, yes, you got what I got. You got pin oaks, which are like a little slender type leaf, real small. And they're terrible to deal with. So, of course, I usually mulch them with a mower, blow them with a blower from around the buildings because they pack up and then water, backs up. And there's all kinds of problems it causes. And a buddy of mine, I've been looking for one of these for a while, actually. And I kind of gave up on them because, they're just hard to find. But a friend of mine had one of these and gave me a killer deal on it. So just got it in, yesterday or whatever. And just kind of giving it the once over. Looks like a 5 horsepower leave, blower deal. You can change the direction of the flow right there, out of the front, out the side, whatever. I'll probably use the side deal for the most part. But it is a little 5 horse Briggs. It looks like overhead valve motor. So it should run pretty good. Let's have to check it out. And that's what we're going to do today. We're going to kind of go over it, check it out, put some fuel in it, fire it up. Let's see what's happening. Yeah, we'll go from there. See what else we can get into.
1 hour later.
All right, so working on the handles here a little bit. As you can see, I'm taller, so I'm gonna try to go them up as far as high as possible. So had to drill out the top hole because the bolts that come with it are not too big. So anyway, checked on the air filter. That looks pretty good. I mean, I want to update it. Check the oil. It's pretty clean. Topped it off. Needed just a tad bit. Of course, we got turtle, rabbit off. If you can't figure that out, you don't need to be using it. Choke. So we got it set. Let's see if it'll fire up. I tried it once. It sounded like it's going to go. So we'll see. Let's do it. Shit. How about that? I mean, that started right up. That is not bad at all. So let's finish up these handles. And it'll be pretty much ready to go. Now, I do want to show you something. Let's show you. Let's get off this mount. All right, let's go down here. Now, look at, where's it at? Well, you can see it. Look at that fuel line. She's crusty. So, probably will need to replace that, honestly, but I just have to get some of that, so I don't have any here. But overall, looks really good. I pulled off the front cover there, and it does have a metal blade in there, not a plastic crap. So it's actually metal. That's really nice, and yeah, runs great. So right, let's get the handle on there and get it mounted, and she'll be ready to go.
The next day.
All right, boys, let's try to check this thing out, see if it's going to work. Letting it warm up there a little bit. Right there, and warming up, we're running. And it's the part of the yard I don't really do a whole lot with the leaves because it doesn't hurt anything. But anyway, I do a little bit with it, but kind of let it go the last bit. So we got a bunch of leaves, all in here. Let's see how this thing does. Just kind of give a little demonstration if you've never seen one of these at work before. Well, let's check it out. Let's go. don't blow at all, hardly, but kind of get the idea from that thing. Works killer when the leaves are dry. Been raining the last couple days, so you don't get the gist, but kind of gives you the idea. All right, works killer. Works good, runs good. Probably needs a carb rebuild, honestly, but it's all good. All right, y'all have a great day. Get out there and do something. Let's go.